Hey guys, super excited to show you this beautiful 4-bedroom penthouse which is in the One Palm, a luxury development which is coming up on the Palm Jumeirah. Now why One Palm? Because it's the first plot on the trunk of the palm, and this is something which is really amazing. Outstanding design, amazing finishes. Now we are in a 4-bedroom penthouse. This penthouse is designed by Elicyon. Now, Elysion is a designer from London. They are also the guys who've done the One Hyde Park. Everything you see in this apartment is absolute luxury. Now, what I really love about these apartments is, one is the floor-to-ceiling windows. They've used large glass panels, giving you a beautiful panoramic view. So you can see the entire Dubai Marina skyline. You've got the Emaar beachfront coming up. You can see the Palm Jumeirah, even the Dubai Eye. The view in the night is also amazing. Now the beauty about this development is that every apartment here has a different layout. There are only 94 apartments in this building, very exclusive, very high-end, starts from 3-bedroom onwards going up to 5 bedrooms. And this unit, if you see the way it's distributed, so as soon as you enter, you've got a nice dining area, you've got a nice living area. You have an informal living area on the other side with a nice open plan kitchen. All Gaggenau appliances. You've got all built-in appliances with a nice built-in fridge, freezer. You've got a nice gas stove, and the view from here is really amazing. If you see, every development talks about being a luxury development, but to me, this is in true sense a luxury development because of the quality, the fit, finish, the design. Also, if you can see, this development will also have its own jetty. So if you want to come by a boat, you can come by a boat. Also, one of the key highlights and the features of this particular development is that these apartments they're not serviced, but they're managed. This is going to be the first building to be managed by the Dorchester residences. So as you walk around here, you have a maid's room and a maid's washroom. You also have another kitchen, which we call as a dirty kitchen or a wet kitchen, where all the cooking actually happens. And the kitchen outside is the show kitchen. What I really like about this house, the space is divided into two parts. So one is your living dining area on the other side. And then you have a nice home office over here, which is definitely a must, especially in the COVID times. Now, what I really like about this apartment is you can actually close these doors, and this part and also that door. So this section of the house becomes a complete private area for the members. So all the bedrooms are here, all the 4 bedrooms, you have a study over here. So especially when you're entertaining people, you have guests over here, that's something really, useful. Now let me show you the master bedroom. Now this particular unit which I'm showing you obviously is a show apartment and comes fully furnished and completely fitted. But the flooring, the ceiling, the lights, what you see, come along with the normal apartment also. And now let me walk you through the walk-in wardrobes. So you have a nice walk-in closet over here. Again, this property is all about the view. So even from your wardrobes, you have, a lovely view. And I just love this master bathroom. Completely marble clad, beautiful. Even the fittings, what they've used, they are all Don Brauart fittings, one of the most expensive high-end European fittings. The marble, everything to here is absolute quality. From this side of the apartment, on a good clear day, of course this development is still not complete. It's expected to be ready by December, but on a nice day you could actually see up to the Burj Al Arab and even the Burj Khalifa on a nice clear day with clear windows. The apartment where I am right now is the 5th floor of the building. So you can see the height and the views even from the lower floors are fantastic. Now let me show you the rest of the house. Again, comes with all built-in wardrobes. They come fitted with very nice bathrooms. So the master comes with a bathtub, the rest come with a standing shower. Again, spaces are all customizable. If you want something else over here, you could do that. You could have a movie room. You've got another bedroom, similar size. And this is the fourth bedroom. Could be a lounge, could be a bedroom, again with its own ensuite bathroom. Because this is a show apartment, they've just kept it as a lounge. Now let me show you the best part. So this is a private terrace just for this apartment. It also comes with its own private pool. If you love entertaining people, if you love having guests at home, throwing parties at home, this is an ideal pad to have. Also, if you see the view currently from outside, you can see right up to the Burj Al Arab over here. In the night, this view is really fantastic because the Burj Al Arab lights up, and it's a really nice view. Now let me take you to the other side of the terrace. So here you have your own private plunge pool. You've got a nice sit out outside. So that's the other door which comes out from the lobby. So if you are having a party at home, if you have guests, and if you want to get them in from here, so they can directly come onto the terrace. Especially here in Dubai, we've got good weather for at least 6-7 months of the year. What I really love about this development is the amenities and the facilities in the building. Now, if these facilities are still not ready, but if you see down there, that's going to be a complete, you have multiple pools, vitality pool. You have your own spa in the development. It's only for the residents. It's not a hotel, so it's not that people will be accessing from outside. You have your own private beach. So the beach is again only for the residents. Plus it's also going to have its own restaurant, which is again exclusively for the residents. Now, one thing which when you buy in this development, what is also there just for the residents is a 88-foot super yacht. Again, that's only for the residents. You could use that, all in all, a complete luxury development. Absolutely phenomenal. I love the design, the quality, the build quality, and the views especially, because the views of the Dubai skyline are amazing from here. Also, accessibility wise, on the Palm there are a lot of other developments, but because this is the first plot on the Palm, it gets very accessible in terms of location. So the entry into Palm Jumeirah and exit is way easier from here. So I hope you enjoy this. If you need any more details, want to come have a look at this beautiful property, get in touch with me. You want to know more on the pricing, you drop me a DM or you can drop me a comment, get in touch with me on my details. I'll be happy to assist you, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Hey, it's Tahir. Thanks for watching my video. If you want to get in touch with me, drop me an email on tahir@trustedhomesdubai.com. If you're on Instagram, follow me at Tahir Majithia. If you're on WhatsApp and if you want to get in touch with me, my WhatsApp number is +971 50296 7861. And whilst you're on YouTube, please do subscribe and help me grow this channel. If you found this video useful, please do like this video. You have any questions, any queries, please drop me a comment. And also, you want to stay updated with the future videos, please hit the bell button. And I'll see you in my next videos soon.